Today I show you what to do if your wipers are making noise. So the wipers are making noise, as you can hear. The back one is actually worse. Listen to this. I got better a bit. Okay, one solution to fix this is just to give it time. The noise will go away. But if you don't want to wait, if you want to fix it as soon as possible, use one of these protectant sprays. This is really old, but this is basically silicone spray for vinyl, rubber, wood, leather and plastic. Son of a protectant. So the label came off. It's for tires, for the dashboard. And I will take a microfiber cloth and this spray, and I will spray the wipers to give them a coating of silicone so they don't make noise. Let's do it. Okay, so I have the microfiber cloth outside, and I will spray on just on one corner. Shake the silicone spray really well before, and just a bit. I want to soak this corner of this. I want to soak this corner of the microfiber cloth. Then take the wiper out. On the wiper blade, this is a new wiper blade, I just installed it, so that's why it's making the noise. First wipe with the dry part, then use this silicone spray. Wipe it with the silicone. You could wipe the back also, so to make the wiper look a little bit better. It's optional. So now they have the silicone coating. This one is done. I will do the same for this one. I want to dry it first, well before. Okay. Nice and dry wiper, and again the silicone. Take the silicone and apply it generous amount on the whole wiper blade to coat the whole wiper blade in the silicone. Could also go to the top, make it look a bit darker, and the same on the back with the silicone. This will protect the rubber also, the wipers, they get protected because of the silicone. And you can also wipe this part to make it look a little better, darker, so the wear from the sun, the weathering doesn't show so much. This is optional. The reason to do this is to make the blades silent. So let's see if this actually worked. Let's see if this actually worked. I'm getting the car. So it's all good here. Okay, let's give it a try. First time I try the wiper blades. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can't hear it. That annoying noise is gone now. I can even increase the speed of the wipers. This is perfect, the front. Let's check the back. Let's see the back. The back was making a really loud noise. Looks like the back needs a little bit more silicone, but you know what I mean. Looks like the back needs a little bit more silicone, but the front is perfect. So I'll just apply more silicone there. That's it. This is only silicone. This is just silicone spray that's made for the dashboard, for rubber, for leather. This is only silicone protectant spray that's made for the dashboard, for tires, for the plastic parts. So it's working perfectly for the windshield wipers to keep them silent. Thanks for watching. Okay. Car still starts.